the Chikmagalur trek. Yesterday we went to two places, which was the Hebbe Waterfalls and the Mulyangiri trek. Mulyangiri is actually the highest peak in Karnataka. So when we trekked and we went over there, we were literally amongst the clouds. If you see it from the ground level, ऐसे लगेगा कि oh clouds and fog है, and हम वहाँ पे थे. This is the reason there was zero visibility. और वहाँ पे कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा था. If you want to visit for the view, I think summers and winters is the right time when you can go. But I think for us in monsoon, it was just an experience. Itni ठंड, it was like, oh my god, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा, you can't see anything, you're just shivering, and you can literally, you can hear the sound of the air. Otherwise, thankfully, कल कोई leeches नहीं मिली. I hope आज भी ना मिले. Well, 2 or 3 members from the gang with whom I'm actually going for the trek got leeches on their legs. But आज leeches होने के ज़्यादा chances है because today we are going to Hebbe Waterfalls and we are going to Z Point. So Hebbe Waterfalls is actually situated in the middle of a coffee estate, and it is also a must and a mandatory visit in case if you're coming to Chikmagalur. Z Point is, however, a trekking point, and again it's just a picture place wherein you will have the complete view of the city. So let's see. Z Point के बारे में तो ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, जाके देखते हैं कि है क्या.
Off-roading experience going towards Hebbe Falls, and I do not know, my body has so many bones. I can feel every single part of my body, my bones clinging, clashing, and I don't know what. Guys, how do you enjoy it?
A lot.
Say something.
Yeah, it's good.
अच्छा, अभी 2 मिनट पहले तो सब रो रहे थे.
That was off camera.
Literally, this is gonna go for another
Half an hour.
20 more minutes. Like, it's this spot should be renamed as Selfie Zone. Look at that fantastic view. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. And that's Hebbe Falls. This time I was taking video.
Which is reality video.
Look at that. Oh my god. Move Leech, move. हिल नहीं रही यार, ये चिपक के बैठ गई. अब ये वेट करिए मेरे खून का. नहीं दूंगी मैं. वेट, इसको निकालते हैं किसी से. No, don't come here with another leech, please. Oh my god, look at the way it's stretching so much. Bye. I'm sorry. No littering, but I had to.
Oh really?
Hebbe Falls had a lot of people visiting them and there was a lot of crowd. Hebbe Falls on the other hand was completely empty. I mean there were people coming on off, थोड़े numbers में 1-2-3 लोग आ रहे थे, but this was like a very serene waterfall. It was so beautiful, so amazing. मैंने बहुत सारे photos खिंचाए. I just jumped into the water, though I had my raincoat on because I did not have any extra spare clothes. But still, बहुत मजा आया. तो Hebbe Falls is a must place where you should go. Had lunch at this beautiful place called as Kemangudi Resort. This is just beside area from where we have to go to the Hebbe Falls, जहाँ से हम जीप लेके जाते हैं. This is the leech and I am touching it. Okay, so the trek has come to an end and I'm finally heading back to Hyderabad with a lot of body pains and a lot of good memories.